It's Friday, November 29th, 2024. It's 9:04 a.m. Eastern. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. It's also the last trading day of the month, the day after Thanksgiving, so the market is going to close early at 1 p.m. today. Yesterday being Thanksgiving, the market was closed. So I always like to end the month on a green day. Hopefully that'll happen. And if you're trading today, I hope you do the same. I'll return when the market opens and I see a possible trade. I think PRZO is going to be the one to move today. Going to make an order out for 150 shares. I just have a feeling this is going to take off. High of day is $1.40 on this candle just a minute ago. We're only just about almost 10 minutes into the open. It's still very early yet. But I'm watching this very closely to see what it's going to do. Up 125% at the moment. Just made a new high on this candle. It's a little early for me to get in. I don't like to trade this early. We're still in what I believe, what I call crazy time. Just don't know what's going to happen here with everybody throwing shares back and forth right after the bell. But I think this is going to be the winner today. So I'll pause and return. I have an order in on PRZO and I am in at $1.43 with 150 shares. The way I trade, I have to say I am in very early. We're only 11 minutes into the open. But I just have a good feeling about this stock with the news that it has. Could be wrong. We'll find out. Struggling a little at the moment, of course. It always does right after I enter a position. Now we're trying to come up a little bit. I just want to get a little peace and have a green day for the last trading day of the month here. There we go. Nice little push. I'll wait just a few more seconds here on this, see if it can come up, maybe break $1.50. I think that's what it's trying to do. We'll use a little patience on this, not much longer. I just want a piece. Not being greedy here. Would like to see it break 150. There we go. I'm out. Let's go see how we did on this scalp. All right, good way to end the month. $16.75. That's a 6.54% gain on that trade. I was only in this about a minute and a half. I was in at $1.43 out of $1.54 with 150 shares. And looking back, I got out right here on this candle. And soon after, it rolled over and pulled right down to VWAP. So I'm glad I got out when I did. And I ended the month with a green day, which was what I wanted to do. So, hey, thanks a lot for watching, and let's hit this thing next week in December.